Hi guys, hello everyone and namaste. So a small guidance via tarot we will be seeing behalf of today's Deepo Amavasya. So let's start. Okay, the first card is Five of Cups. So guys, here's the first guidance for you that whatever has gone, please let it go. Please let it go with this flow of water and please focus on what you have. This is no moon today. Tomorrow is new moon, new beginnings, new intentions, everything a fresh start, and no moon that is nothing. So please let go of that is not serving you and make a new start. This is the very first guidance you're getting. Second card is this, which is okay, Knight of Pentacles. So guys, maybe because you're more focused on what is not there in your life, which is what is gone, and you're still grieving over it, that is why something that has to come towards you has slowed up so much just because of you, because you are creating blockages and resistances in your own life. So guys, please work on yourself. Please focus on what is there with you, that is there for you, that is waiting for you, because it is slowing up. So please acknowledge it. Seven of Cups. Maybe you're confused for now, you're not understanding. Maybe you're having a lot of options and you feel, oh wow, everything is good. Which one should I select? But no, guys, here I would say that please be very careful while choosing any option. This is what I would say, because everything is not as it seems. If you explore a bit, you will understand that some stuffs, some options are just not suitable for you, just not for you. So please be careful about it. Eight of Cups. See, guys, again the same card that whatever is not serving you, please take out your energy from that. This is what I would say with this card. Please don't stay stuck in that. This is what I would say. I know some things, some stuffs are like this that you cannot just move away from it. But please set boundaries, set your priorities, how much energy you have to give over there, how much not. So please acknowledge it. Oh wow. Hierophant. So with this card, I would say that if you need, please take a guidance from an experienced person or a counselor or a spiritual mentor or a person with respect to where you feel stuck in your life, or if you really wish to come out of something, if you wish to make some changes or a new start, please take guidance from an experienced person related to the same. Or if you're confused, you're not understanding with respect to life or any situation, please take a therapy or a guidance or a counseling. This is what I would say. Judgment. So there is some sort of inner calling that is being happening within you. Acknowledge it. This is what I would say. It will take you to the right path. This can be some sort of awakening that you came through very recently. Something unexpected happened and you didn't feel that okay, also this can happen also. So please acknowledge it. Thank you.